It's Giacomo speaking. Thanks for watching this quick video and update on Tesla stock. In front of us there is 1 hour candlestick showing the price movement of Tesla, and let's see what we can say based mainly on technical analysis. So first of all, before getting into this in more detail, in a more detailed analysis, please just remember that it's good to read a lot of news regarding Tesla about the company before investing into it, because news, especially for this company like Tesla, where it's important, very important CEO Elon Musk can just write something good or bad on Twitter or any other social media, and the stocks can consequently jump up or dive down. So the idea is that always read news before investing in this stock and try to match the technical analysis with fundamental analysis. As usual, the idea of this channel is just to give you more confidence with the technical analysis, and mainly with the simplest tools in technical analysis, as perhaps I've always used just simple tools like trend lines or exponential moving average or stochastic or maximum. The most advanced tool that I've used is perhaps a Fibonacci fan. That's all. Perhaps don't know if I'll do some videos later on with more sophisticated tools, but the idea is that it's better to stay on the simple tools, and they are even the most trustworthy, such as exponential moving average and trend lines are the best personally, from what I saw and what I've read a lot, and based on my experiences are the most trustworthy tools, and I would like to follow them rather than other more sophisticated or complicated than just a simple exponential moving average or even a simple average. So in this case, the exponential moving average of 280 gives us a perfect trend line where it worked for some bottoms or troughs before starting a new rally. So it worked there again. The problem there is that, as we can see, this peak is lower than the previous one, giving a signal of weakness of this market. So now, bear it in mind, and something important is that the exponential moving average has not been broken yet, so it's still following the bullish trend, but this peak that is lower than the previous one gives us a warning. So based on that, we would like always to invest in the trend direction. The trend is uptrend. This is my technical analysis interpretation, but because as we are right now, just quick one, as we are right now, and with this weakness signal that this peak is lower than this one, we need to be careful. We need to look out for that something can happen. So the idea as we are right now is just hold for now, even if the trend, because this exponential moving average worked as support, those prices might keep going up to this target price of $500. So, but because again this peak is lower than the previous one, it might give us a weakness signal. So this option to that the target price of 275 can be reached is still open. Because this option is open, and because our target price it will be $500, because the idea is to invest always in the trend direction, so the idea is to go long up to $500, and because this option is still there and open, so the idea is right now is to hold and wait what is going to happen the next days. Hold because if so the prices can see, let's see what's going to happen the next days. So if the prices will keep going up, I think the most likely this target price will be reached in the next weeks, or otherwise if the price will start going down and they will get around this level of 300, between 340 and 330, we need to watch out what is happening around 330 and 340, because the idea is that these prices will go down. Option 1 is that around 330, where it worked as support for this bottom, it can work again as support for the next bottom, or around 340, where it's gonna test again this tentative trend line. It's a tentative trend line because it has been tested only twice. To be a proper trend line, generally it is supposed to be tested 3 times. This is mainly based on technical analysis theory. So there are 2 options there, where 340 or 330 they can work as support, or if they don't work as support, the idea is that those prices can keep going down up to 275 before jumping up again, if they will jump up, if this target price will not be broken. So in conclusion, for now, Tesla, it's just for the next days, just hold and see what's going to happen the next days. The option 1, let's summarize what I've said. Option 1 is that the price can start going up right now because this exponential moving average works as support. Option 2, the prices will go down around 340 and 330. Watch out, because those 2 can work as support level for a new rally. Even if 330 will be broken, the idea is just keep holding, keep stand aside, because the prices can keep going down up to this target price before going long. The idea is that as we are right now, of course we don't want to go short, because it's like going in against the major trend that is bullish, never going against the trend if it's possible, and by this situation we cannot even be sure to go long, because there is this weakness signal, and we need to see what's going to happen about the level of 330 and 340. If it will not be broken, the idea is to go long, otherwise just hold. That's all from my side. I hope I've been clear, that it has been useful for all of you. But again, this is to give you an idea how technical analysis works and how trend lines and exponential moving average works. So for now, just stand aside and wait in the next days what is going to happen. Thanks, bye.